Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today's video, well, it's all about love, bouquet, and chocolates. Because we're unpacking Shamita's Craft gorgeous Valentine's Day bouquet and doing chocolate taste tests. So if you are looking for gifts, bouquet, or just want to taste some chocolates just like me, stay tuned and get ready. So, heto na nga guys, meron tayong bouquet. It's from Shamita's Craft and it's handmade by Gladys Shami. So, I'm so excited guys na i-unpack itong bouquet na to. And narinig ko kasi ang Shamita's Craft ay napaka-talented and napaka-creative sa paggawa ng craft bouquet. Kaya, sige, i-unpack na natin to. Okay, so, kulay pa lang, 'di ba? Napakaganda na. So, let's start from this golden yellow. Okay. So, ayan. So simple but elegant. Perfect for Valentine's gift, diba? So, si Shamita's Craft, instead of flower or something ang nilagay niya, nilagay yung parang clump for hair. Hair clump siya. And alam kong umiilaw to siya. Okay, ayan. So, from ribbons and the arrangement, napakaganda, napakahusay, guys. Okay, beautiful. Ayan. So, ito yung kulay golden yellow nila, guys. And meron pa akong na-order isa, which is kulay green. So, tingnan din natin. So, ito yung nila, green nila. Well, I also love the combination, guys. Yung may pa-golden yellow siya with blue ribbon. So, beautiful, diba? Okay, ayan. Ang alam ko, umiilaw to siya. Okay, check natin. Ayun. So, umiilaw nga, diba? So, very beautiful. Umiilaw siya. So, perfect for all occasions. Mapa-birthday man yan, or Valentine's. Katulad ngayon, it's a love month. So, kung maisipan ninyong magbigay ng simple bouquet sa mga minamahal ninyo, grab it with Shamita's Craft. Alright. And of course, sa akin, gusto ko din siyang dagdagan ng chocolates. Let's say, for example, yung Cloud9. Instead of, yung hair clump ang ilagay, so mas bet ko, lagyan din siya ng chocolate. So, pwede natin ilagay dito. Ayan. Or, dito rin. Ayun, di ba? So, just like me guys, I added some chocolates to make it even more sweet para sa minamahal nyo or para sa loved ones ninyo. So, ayan. So, you can choose whatever chocolates you want to give to your loved ones. I really love the way Shamita's arranged the bouquet, and also nagustuhan ko rin yung color combination niya, guys. So it's very unique. So if you are wondering about the price, well, it's not bad. It's totally good for its composition, and it's really right for how it looks. So kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng gift for Valentine's Day, well, check out mo na yung FB page ni Shamita's Craft, handmade by Gladys Shami. and you can find it here. So of course guys, hindi natin palalampasin yung taste test natin. Ita-try natin yung mga iba't ibang chocolates natin ngayon. So first we have Goya Almond in Milk Chocolate. Ayan. And meron din tayong Goya Cookies and Cream. And meron din tayong Goya Raisins in Milk Chocolate. And back-to-back na natin guys, kasi meron din tayong Cloud9. So we have Cloud9 Overload. Ayan. And meron din tayong Cloud9 White. And we also have Cloud9 Classic. At di rin pa huhuli si Cloud9 Gold. So guys, ano kaya or sino kaya ang masarap dito? And of course, magkakaalaman na dahil ita-try natin. Alright, so first up, we have Cloud9 Overload. Ita-try na natin, guys. I'm so excited, guys. Wow! Beautiful, guys. Unang tingin pa lang, guys. Very rich na siya kasi well-coated ng chocolate. Tikman natin. Ang sarap. Super rich. Chocolate na chocolate. And parang may caramel siya, guys. And what I like is yung peanut, guys. Nagiging crunchy siya. So, it's caramel-like, crunchy, rich in chocolate. Ang sarap. Okay, so next na natin si Cloud9 Gold. Okay. Si Cloud9 Gold ay may almond fudge and of course, it has a chocolate filling then. So, let's see. Paborito ko pa naman yung almond. Ayan, guys. So, same sa overload. Well-coated siya. Well-coated. And tikman na natin, guys. Sarap. It's creamier. Ang sarap. And sweet siya. Compared sa overload, hindi siya ganun kasi. But this one, it's creamier and it's sweeter. And ang sarap din ng almond. So, nag-blend talaga sa mouth ko. It's really good combination. Alright, so of course, tingnan natin naman si Cloud9 White. I'm sure di rin to pagpapahuli sa tamis at sarap. So, this is a white chocolate bar with caramel. Tikman natin. Ayan. So, white na white. Let's try it. Mas soft siya, guys, compared sa dalawa. Soft. Pagka unang bite mo pa lang ay soft na soft siya. And not so crunchy. Although, may pagka-crunchy siya, pero hindi gaano ka-crunchy compared sa dalawang chocolates. But it's creamy and it's chocolatey. Superb. Well, let's go classic, guys. I-try naman natin ito si chocolate bar with caramel. Alright, so same din. Well-coated siya. Ayan. And try natin. So, same pa rin yung na-taste ko before na classic Cloud9. Very soft, creamier, tastier. So, if I were to choose, guys, sa apat na na-taste kong Cloud9, I will go for almond Cloud9. Ito yun. Cloud9 Gold, which is made of almond fudge. So, nagustuhan ko siya kasi not so soft, hindi rin siya matigas. And, lasang-lasa talaga yung, malasahan mo talaga yung almond. So, perfect combination talaga. But then, lahat naman sila, guys, masasarap. But, of course, nanguna lang talaga si Cloud9 Gold sa puso ko. Ayun. Okay, so this time, guys, Goya naman tayo. Ayan. So, this is Goya Raisins in Milk Chocolate. Okay, so let's try kung ano yung lasa. Although yung sa Cloud9, guys, always ko siya natatry before. Si Goya, hindi masyado. So, it's perfect na matry natin. Okay, ganito yung itsura niya sa loob, guys. So, it's chocolate bar. Ayan. So, try natin. Ayan. Beautiful design. Okay. Ang sarap. So, it's really milky and chocolatey. So, masarap siya, guys. Malalasahan mo talaga yung chocolate niya. And it's very sweet and milky. Ang sarap. Okay, so this time, Goya cookies and cream. Feeling ko masarap to, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo, packaging pa lang. Milky. Pero to taste is to believe. So, let's see. Let's taste it. Wow, ang ganda sa loob niya, guys. Look at this. Ang ganda yung loob niya, guys. You see. Milky, and of course, halata talaga yung chocolate niya na cookies and cream. Look at it. Tingnan nyo, guys. Guys, tingnan nyo. You see. Sige, try natin. Well, si cookies and cream, nagpa-crunchy siya sa Goya chocolate. Nagiging crunchy siya, guys, because of cookies and cream. Sarap. It's milkier and it's crunchier. Super rich din siya sa pagiging chocolate niya. Masarap. Si cookies and cream ang nagpa-exciting sa Goya chocolate with milk. Sarap. Okay, guys. So, panghuli na tayo. Almonds in milk chocolate. Okay, so try na natin. Pero feeling ko to, guys, ito yung pinakamasarap. Kayo, anong feeling ninyo?
Good.
Ikaw, anong feeling mo? Gaya-gaya rin to siya. Gaya-gaya siya sa Goya. Okay, try na natin. Ay, nahirapan ako. Charis. Ayun. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ay, nabali siya. Ayan. Wait. Nahihirapan ako sa pag-open. Ayan. So, first, chocolate bar. Ayan. So, i-try ko na, ha? Una ko na itong i-try. Oh, guys. Ang sarap. Kasi, it's creamier, it's chocolatier, and ang sarap ng almond. Yun yung nagbibigay ng pagiging crunchy sa Goya almonds plus milk chocolate. Sarap. I love it. Alright guys, ang sasarap nilang lahat. Walang maitulak na kabigin guys. Pero syempre, if I were to choose, mas pipiliin ko si almond Goya which is milk and chocolate. And sa Cloud9 naman, pipiliin ko si Cloud9 Gold. So, kayo guys, you can also give comments below kung ano yung type nyo sa 4 na Cloud9 and sa 3 Goya. Alright, so that's all for today's unpacking, guys. And yan yung Shamita's Craft Bouquet. So if you're looking for Valentine's gift, you can try to check their FB page. And it's also available in the description box. And please like, subscribe, and comment kung ano yung masasabi nyo sa bouquet and which chocolates do you prefer to taste. So, have a fantastic Valentine's Day and see you in my next video. Bye! Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.